Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Shari. Today's session we will discuss about how to install Apache server and how to enable the Apache server services and how can we add the Apache server ports and how can we change the Apache server ports. So before starting this session guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. First, I will give you some overview about Apache server. Apache server is a open source software that allow user to deploy their website on the internet. And why we are using its open source software? It is very reliable. Apache server is able to handle large number of traffic. So let's start. I will going to first you need to log into your server. Suppose I have already logged in my RedHAT Linux, so I need to update my server first. So updating command is, if you are using with any user, you need to use sudo. If you are root user, you don't need to use, just type yum update and upgrade -y for yes, just press enter. So my server is already updated. I don't need to update now. So now we are going to jumping on to install Apache server. So Apache server installation command is yum install httpd, just press enter. So this Apache server we are having, this Apache server 2.4 Apache server we are having. Now we are going to start the enable the Apache server and enable the service Apache server. So systemctl enable httpd service or httpd, you can check. Wait a minute. So http, just type http. So you can check over here, this services is enabled. So now I am going to start the Apache server services. So Apache server is service starting command is systemctl start httpd.service. So I have started the Apache server. Let's check the Apache server status. Again systemctl status httpd.service or httpd, you can check. So Apache server is running. You can check over here, this is Apache server. This is the command. You can also check with only httpd. This Apache server is currently running. So we have successfully install Apache server. Let's say we are going to assign ports in Apache server. So first we need to edit the ports, Apache server ports. So we need to move on cd etc httpd, then config, then just press enter. And let's check the history. There is a httpd.config. We need to edit this. I am using vi command, vi editor. So you can use nano also, vim editor also you can use http. I will going to enable the 80 port and 81 port. So let's check the which port is enabled now. So listen port is 80. So I will just press I, insert. I will going to enable http port wq for save and exit. Just press this. So now I will going to add this st port to firewall also. I will going to add this into firewall. So adding command is to fire wall cmd zone equal public then space sorry, first I need to add the port to the server. Firewall firewall command permanent. I will going to add the permanent 80 port TCP and UDP. I will enable this word permanent add dash dash add port 80. I will move on 80 and 80 81 TCP. Just press enter. So successfully I have added the 80 port. So again I need to type firewall. Just you need to press up arrow, it will become. So 81 I will also going to enable 81. So it's already enabled. I will also going to UDP press enter. Again I will going to 1880 UDP. So I have enabled these two ports. So permanent, I have enabled the permanent port. So I will again going to add the HTTP to firewall. So HTTP command is firewall again, firewall cmd zone public, zone will be public, public and zone 2 dash, it will be 2 dash over here, zone will be public, then space permanent and permanent permanent. I have typed firewall command zone public permanent. Then I need to add what I will going to add over here. I will going to add HTTP and HTTP, enable these two services to again add dash dash add service HTTP. Yes, press enter. So I am getting error firewall command zone public permanent. So I am getting this error. So why I am getting this error? So let's check again. Firewall command zone public permanent permanent services. Which service I am going to add? HTTP permanent. Then which service I am going to add? Then space service equal HTTP. So not among existing services. So it's already okay HTTP. So you can check over here, HTTP is services activated, added. So I will going to add firewall command zone public. Just tab over here, you will get permanent and permanent add service HTTPS. So it's also added, successfully added. This two I have added here 80 port and 81 port UDP and TCP added with merge with 80 and 80 port. So I need to here go to home root directory. I need to here reload the firewall. So reloading command is systemctl space I need to firewall cmd reload reload. Just press enter. So my firewall is reloaded. So one more thing, I need to disable sealing. So set in force, set in force 0. So I also disable the sealing. So let's restart the Apache server. systemctl httpd.services restart start. Once you have restarted the HTTP services, you can check the Apache status systemctl status httpd. So you can check over here, this is running and my port is, I am not getting my port over here. So I am getting 81 port and I am getting 2 port over here also. 40 default port I am getting this. So if you will check 81 and 80 port, I will show to you here 81 port. It's running 81 port here and 80 port is also running. So guys, this is the method, this is the process to install Apache server in Red Hat Linux. Guys, if you are having any kinds of doubts, please let me know. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.